What's up, family? What's up, everyone? Where we travel on a music lover, music promoter, so promoter, artist promoter. Let's turn up. Runners Club, Runners Up, let's pull up. What are you waiting for? August 24th, right in Rotterdam. Boat party will be massive. Boat party that everybody's waiting for. August 24th. It's going to be massive. Runners Club. Runners up. Let's turn up. Starting from the bottom to the top. What are you waiting for? It's your boy, music lover, music promoter. Runners up. Alaji Kumasa. Spala, just up, bro. I got you. You already know. Runners Club. You know, one of the biggest party, one of the biggest boat party, right in Holland. Gonna be massive. Let's turn up. It's your boy, Rich Harmony, music lover, music promoter. You already know that, right? So let's do it. August 24th, let's turn up. July 27th, Jolasman, right in Parma City. It's gonna be the first, and from there we're gonna turn up August 24th, right in Rotterdam. This boat party is gonna be massive. What are you waiting for? Don't late. Turn up for that day, August 24th. Let's do it. Sierra Leone, stand up.